Hi, I'm Lindee Katdare, and today I'm going to show you one of the quickest and most affordable ways to completely transform your kitchen or your bathroom cabinets using the Rust-Oleum Cabinet Transformations Kit. First, you want to choose your color. The Rust-Oleum Cabinet Transformations Kit comes in a wide range of colors and is incredibly easy to use. I've actually updated both my bathroom and my kitchen cabinets using this kit. The original cabinets I had in my kitchen were custom built for our home, and replacing them would have cost a ridiculous amount of money. So in the end, I realized it wasn't the cabinets I disliked, it was just that dated 90s stain. Next, you want to gather your supplies. Most of what you need to get started is right in the kit, including the bond coat, protective top coat, crud cutter, cleaner, and degreaser, but you'll also want to have a 2-inch synthetic brush, a nap roller and a handle, painter's tape, drop cloths, lint-free rags, disposable gloves, paint trays, a screwdriver or drill because you're going to use that to remove your hardware, and possibly wood filler and door bumpers. Before you start, you do want to measure your cabinet area to make sure you have enough product. Rust-Oleum actually includes a simple guide right inside the box that can help you with that. Then you want to prep and clean. So you're going to remove all doors, all drawers and hardware, and clean every surface using crud cutter, cleaner, and degreaser. You want to let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to wipe it clean. Now, if your cabinets are greasy, ahead of time, you want to pre-clean with soap and water first. This step is essential for a smooth finish at the end of your project. Okay, so now we're going to apply the bond coat, which is the base color. So we're going to start with the cabinet frames, and we're going to tape off the edges and all of the nearby walls. You're going to stir your bond coat and then pour it into a tray and apply with a brush for edges and then the roller for the flat areas. You want to let this dry for 2 hours, and then you'll apply your second coat if you need it. For doors and drawers, you lay them on a flat protected surface, and I actually like to use sawhorses. It really saves my back from leaning over. I can just stand there and brush the edges, and we'll do those first, and then I use smooth strokes across the panels. You want to watch for drips, and you want to clean them up as you go. Next, we are going to apply the protective top coat. So once your color is completely dry, you're going to stir your top coat and then apply it the same way, vertical for sides and horizontal for the rails. Coat the frames first, then the back of the doors and the drawers. After drying for 2 hours, you can flip and coat the fronts. Allow everything to dry for 12 hours before reattaching your hardware. And now for the finishing touches. Don't forget, updating your hardware makes a huge difference. So if you love the shape or want a new look, you can simply spray your old handles with Rust-Oleum Universal Metallic Finish. It has lots of different finishes, and it will give a quick refresh for your cabinets. So overall, refreshing your cabinets is such an easy project that makes a major impact and saves so much money. For more DIY inspiration, follow Rust-Oleum on social media and visit rustoleum.com for full tutorials and color ideas.